All right, everyone, welcome to this deep dive on Salesforce Metadata Backup through the lens of Blue Canva, a Git-based DevOps tool for Salesforce. So here we have our deployment pipeline with UAT production. And for the sake of this demo, we're adding an extra sandbox. So I've sped up the first connection OAuth process right here. But as we add Lisa's sandbox, what's going to happen is that Blue Canva is going to connect through the API and pool all of the metadata information into its own Git repository. This takes just a few minutes the first time, but as it completes, it's then kept in sync on a constant basis. And once it is complete, you can simply use Blue Canva in this Files tab to navigate the metadata information. Here you have almost like a browsing directory. This resembles Git a little bit. And you can see all of the different objects, layouts, and even fields. So you might obviously be used to navigate that in Salesforce, of course. This is the usual UI picture-in-picture here. But the underlying representation here is kept in sync into Blue Canva cache, and you can navigate equally the fields and see all of the information. So this is your backup at any point in time, and it's kept in sync in real time. And what's more, because it's Git-based, you have real-time version control. So you can see what changed, when was it changed. This is 8 days ago in Nico's sandbox. The asking price field was modified, and you can click on the revision and see precisely what was the update made back then, who did it, when was it done precisely, and what's precisely the fields that have changed. So very powerful backup, real-time version control. And Blue Canva then lets you do much more that we'll cover further on, but you could compare two sandbox, which I'm doing here, for example, and see the differences between your sandbox and UAT. This lets you revert, this lets you redeploy your backup, and this lets you ship specific changes, but we'll cover that in future demos.